Example 10. Okay, so what we have here is negative 4x plus 7 times 2x minus 1. So what we are going to do is, this may not look like it, but it actually is a something times a something times a something. It's just that the first something is, of course, an invisible minus 1. So the way I'm going to do this one, and you're going to bring the minus in, but I'm going to put the pink brackets over there. So we're going to have minus, shut that open. Now we're going to multiply it. 4x times 2x is 8x squared. 4x times minus 1 is minus 4x. That's 14x, and 7 times minus 1 is minus 7. Last time I collected this stuff in the brackets. I'm not going to do it this time. I'm going to show you how you don't have to do it. We have the minus. I'm going to bring the minus into the bracket. Minus times the 8 is minus 8x squared. Minus times the minus is plus 4x. Minus times the plus 14 is minus 14. The minus times the minus 7 is plus 7. So we have minus 8x squared plus, minus 10x plus 7. And just to rewrite it because I screwed up the last line, it'd be 8x squared minus 10x plus 7. Okay, let's get to some hard ones here. Bum, bum, bum. Well, maybe not that hard yet. So this is a three things being multiplied by each other situation. We're going to pink bracket it. So we're going to get minus 11x. 2 times 1 is 2x squared. 2 times negative 3 is minus 6x. 1 times x is x. 1 times minus 3 is minus 3. Now, I've kind of stopped doing the arrows, but there's no reason why you have to. If you're losing track of things and you don't know what it is, you're definitely able to, okay, I'm going to multiply this by this and this by this. And you can definitely show it. So you can either do it in your head, or you can show it every time. In this case, I'm going to collapse it because this is a big one. It's a big number in front. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, minus 3. And now let's multiply it. So negative 11 times 2 is minus 22. X times x squared is x cubed. Minus 11 times minus 5 is plus 55. And x times x is x squared. And minus 11 times minus 3 is plus 33. And there's an x. And there's the answer to that one. Okay. Now, something that's very common to do here, and wrong, something that's very common to do here is to take this 13 and multiply it into those brackets. But the 13 is not next to the brackets, right? So the previous one, this one over here, the minus 11 was right next to the bracket. So it was the minus 11x times those things. But this is not that. This is 13x minus those things. And we're going to actually bedmask this. And I'll put a bracket in just because, but in this case I didn't really have to because multiplication says that we're going to do those two guys first. Though it's useful because of the minus in front, so I guess it is kind of a pink bracket situation because of the minus. So it's 13x minus 20x squared plus 4x minus 10x minus 2, which then becomes 13x minus 20x squared. 4 minus 10 is minus 6x minus 2. We're going to expand it now. We have the minus goes into the bracket. Minus 20x squared minus minus plus 6x minus minus plus 2. And now, generally the order we put things in is I like to have the x squared term first, then the x term, and then the number without an x's at all. So it's going to be minus 20x squared plus 13x plus 6x plus 2. These guys are like terms. So it's going to be minus 20x squared plus 19x plus 2. And there's the answer for that one.